I'm uploading. Wow, shocking. No way. I haven't done this in months. Anyways, guys, I can't actually like scream at the top of my lungs in this video. Not that I normally do, but I can't be loud like I normally am because there are people sleeping in my house now. It's, almost 1 a.m. So, also my skin just randomly has green lines on it now, and like the insides where the arms are also has green lines. It wasn't like this a couple days ago. I don't know why it is now. Anyways, so there's this current trend going on. It's keyboard and mouse sounds. So I'm kind of just hopping on that trend because I want to upload again. Honestly, I actually want to edit something right now and then go to bed. So that's pretty cool. Also, randomly my CPS will just like shoot up. You see? It'll go to like 17, 18 CPS. I can actually only butterfly like 12 or 13. But it double clicks sometimes, and sometimes my clicks won't register, like right now. But yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's about it. Also, if you hear me doing this, it's just drag clicking on the Model D. It's kind of weird. Also, I'm gonna get a new mouse for Christmas. It's the Roccat Kane 100 Ammo because I like to bridge a lot, and I'm trying to learn how to telly, and it's apparently a good telly mouse. So yeah, anyways, we're just gonna hop straight to this video. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing before the video actually starts. I made a new pack and I'm gonna be releasing it for I don't know, a milestone, probably like I don't know, like 1,000 channel views or something like that. Here it is. It looks pretty cool. I'll show you the crit particles real quick, and then we're just gonna actually play the video. So yeah. By the way, I record my intros and outros after I've already recorded the video, most of the time. So yeah. So yeah, this is what the pack looks like. It's a it's a pot fast revamp. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, aggro on this guy. This is my first game on. Oh, that's embarrassing. Don't worry about that. Anyways, yo, really quickly, I just noticed this while editing the video. I said I record my intros and outros after I record, and then I proceeded to get wrecked and say this was my first game on. Look, I'm not salty. No, actually, what I was trying to say there was, I normally record my intros and outros after I record, but this time I'm doing it before I record. It actually was my first game on, but, yeah, I never said that because I got sidetracked. Anyways, back to the video.